What is up everyone, and welcome to my channel, Kick It with Daryl Ogolino. And in today's video, it's going to be a little bit of a vlog kind of style of video, and I was actually craving some brownies today, so I thought to myself, what a great time to kind of just experiment and make some anabolic brownies for you guys today. Very high protein, low carb, low calories. Let's jump right into it. Here we go. Alright everybody, so we're here in the kitchen. So as you all know, this recipe is going to be easy to make, and today we're going to be also utilizing the microwave. We are not using the oven today, so it's going to be easy. I was craving brownies today, and I just told myself, let's just whip something up. So let's get started. As always, you just want to have your weighing scale. So we're just going to measure out all the ingredients. So first what we're going to need is our protein. We're going to need 35 grams of chocolate protein. For some reason, this specific protein did not come with a scoop. Lame. And then next, we're gonna need 7 grams of coconut flour. And then after we put our coconut flour, we're gonna use six packets of Splenda. Yes, 6 packets, because we're gonna be adding some chocolate in this recipe. Cocoa, to be exact, cocoa powder. And with cocoa powder, it can kind of get a little bit bitter, so I kind of like my desserts sweet. So 6 Splenda packets. All right, and then next we're gonna use baking powder. I always put baking powder first, but for some reason today, I didn't do it. So 3 grams of baking powder. Gotta make this thing rise. All right guys, and then next we're gonna use 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Chocolate. Here we go. So that's 1 tablespoon. And so what we're gonna do next is we're gonna whisk all the dry ingredients. All right, so after we got all our dry ingredients mixed up, now we're gonna put in our wet ingredients. And so what we're gonna be using is liquid egg whites. We're gonna be using 32 grams of liquid egg whites. Okay. And once you're done putting your liquid egg whites, our last final ingredient that we're gonna be putting into this brownie recipe is almond milk, unsweetened almond breeze. So we're going to be putting 85 grams of this almond milk. Okay. So after we've got all our ingredients in here, we're going to whisk it up one last final time, and then we're going to put it into a bowl to heat up. All right, everyone, so got my little mixture right here. We're gonna throw this into the microwave for 1 minute. I really hope I got the right size bowl, because if I don't, this thing's gonna overflow. Wish me luck. Here we go. All right, y'all, so the brownie is finished. I actually made it 1 minute and 30 because I wanted it to get a little bit more thick. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take it out of the microwave, and then we're gonna just let it sit for 2 minutes. Let's take a look at what it looks like. Ooh, check that out. It's hot, so give me a second. I'm gonna lay it down real quick. All right, everyone, so we are here. We let the brownie sit for about 2 minutes, and it fluffed up pretty good. Be careful because the bowl is super hot. We're gonna do the ultimate taste test right now, so I hope it tastes good. And if I have to make some ice cream, because I think vanilla ice cream would go really well with this, I'll make some. I guess I'll be making a recipe on vanilla ice cream, protein vanilla ice cream, soon. It cuts pretty easily. As you can see, oh, I was able to slice it pretty nicely. So here we go, first taste test. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe as much as I do. Here we go. Wow. Very chocolatey. It's kind of a mixture of a fudge brownie and some pudding, so that's kind of like the consistency of this recipe. It's pretty good. Wow. This is really good. I'm trying not to eat too fast because this thing is super hot. My mouth is like on fire. But like I said, man, protein vanilla ice cream with this, pair this up, you got a good pairing right there. And I have a really big sweet tooth, as you guys can probably already tell by the types of recipe videos that I do. I do a lot of like baking stuff. Just when you're dieting, when it comes to like eating protein bars and such, you can only go so far with like great flavors. And it's cool to switch it up and make stuff like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and scarf this all down. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. You know what? Let me scarf this down before I say my goodbyes. Here we go. Okay, probably scarfing it down was probably a bad idea because I'm kind of burning my throat right now. The consistency of this thing, man, let me tell you. So I'm gonna leave the macros and the calories right up here. Take a look. Isn't it amazing? Such low calories, such high protein, such a quick, easy snack to make. Guys, for this specific recipe, I'm gonna go ahead and leave the ingredients in the description below, so be sure to check that out. All right, this is the last bite for my fans. Hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video. I appreciate it. Peace.